Hi guys, welcome to Audrey channel. Today we're gonna open Shopkins egg that I just bought. We got close up. What? Okay, like this. Now let's open it. Okay. Okay, I messed up again. Okay, now I need scissors. Oh, try and cut. Now I can take it out. Useless. Now we got it. Yeah, we got a new one. One shoe and another cupcake. Well, that's not cupcake. Let's open it. Scissors! We got loving is the time we go. And the fortune in the game. I like you. Yeah. We got this. We'll put it down. Hey, cameraman. Hey, cameraman. Can you talk?
Yes.
What are you doing on your phone?
I need to check a lot of things and make sure everything's in order.
Yeah. Also, the typhoon is coming here. And the day after tomorrow, it's going to have a very big typhoon. Maybe 10 typhoons. 10 typhoons are going to be in here. So stay tuned. If you live in Macau too, Maya, you'll have the 10 typhoons. You'll go all over the 10 typhoons too. So you have to get some live water if you have 10 typhoons.
Yeah, we got typhoon signal number 10.
Typhoon signal.
Yeah, what we have today, we have a lot of Shopkins, so little guys.
We also got 3 more yellow eggs to go. Let's open 2 at a time.
You want to open one more now?
Yeah, let's just open one more. Can I? Let's just open one more. Because I love opening Shopkins. What about let's open 2 at a time in one video? Because these videos are way too short. Right?
Yep.
What about next time we stay in 24 hours in somewhere, but I cannot keep my bathroom. I have to go to the bathroom, so I cannot go to 24 hours in my YouTube. Yay! Blue belt! It's the same, but it's blue. Peely potato!
Yeah, all the surprise Shopkins is just talking about luck and chance. Give it a chance.
I got peely potato. I got this before in my old younger videos. We got a blue belt. We got already 2 purple belts, but now we got a new color. It's a blue one.
Well, you can stack up.
Now, bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. And like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. And we want 1 million subscribers. So click the like button for 10 million times. Bye.